Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having an amazing Saturday. So as y'all can see, we are at the spot and we are about to get into our 5 off of 25 deals. Yes, y'all. So, we're going to keep it low out of pocket today. The first deal that I'm going to do is going to be an all digital deal for you guys because I know some of you guys are about that all digital life. So we're going to do an all digital deal with a low out of pocket. And I'm going to start off by grabbing one of these big bottles of Tide Oxy. So the Simply Oxy is glitching a little bit. You can get this 75-ounce bottle that is $6.95, and our $2 off digital coupon works on this, but it's only this one that I have pictured. So we're going to grab one of these for $6.95, and we are going to use that $2 digital coupon as our first item in our deal today. Next up, I'm going to grab 2 of these Febreze plug starter kits. So these are only $5 for the whole set. We're going to use our buy one get one free or $5 off of 2 digital coupon. You can also use the coupon from the May PNG if you do not have the digital. Either one will work just fine in this deal. Now we're going to grab one of these big lighters. These are $3.25. We are going to use our $2 off digital coupon. Next up, we're grabbing one of these big metal razors. So these are $2, but I still have our old digital coupon for $2 off, making these absolutely free, a great filler item. Then we're going to grab 2 of these. These are $2 each, but we're going to use our $3 off of 2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is our first deal today, and this is for my all digital people. We are going to use all digital coupons in this deal, meaning that all we have to do is load these digital coupons, enter in our phone number at the register, and then check out. All of those coupons will apply. So easy, so simple. So I have the big multi-purpose lighter that is $3.25, $2 digital coupon. I have 2 of the Febreze plug starters. Those are $5, and we're going to use that $5 off of 2 digital coupon. I have 2 of the Head and Shoulders at $3 each. We are going to, at $2 each, we're going to use our $3 off of 2 digital coupon. I have 1 of the Tide Oxy. This is the 75-ounce bottle. We are going to use the $2 off digital coupon. And then I have 1 of the big metal razors as our filler item. $2, we're going to use our $2 digital coupon. That should give us a total of $19 in coupons after we add in our 5 off of 25 coupon. Our pre-coupon subtotal should be $26.20. So after all of those digital coupons are applied, we should only have to pay $7.20 for all of these items. So let's go check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, our all digital transaction was a success. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Tide Simply Oxy 75-ounce, $6.95, $2 digital. There is the Febreze warmers. Those were $5 with the $5 off 2 digital. There is our Head and Shoulders with the $2 each and the $3 off 2 digital. There's our big utility lighter at $3.25 with the $2 digital. And then there are our big metal razors that were free, $99. Our subtotal came up to $7.20 for all 7 items. I like paying $1 per item. Yes, y'all, that is the bomb, considering we got us a big boy laundry detergent and we got these Febreze plug sets. So let's go on to store number 2, where I am going to do some paper coupon deals. Okay, you guys, so now we're in store number 2, and the next deal that we are going to do is this good Bayer deal. So you guys know we got the 3 off of 10 Bayer digital coupon. We're going to stack that with our 5 off of 25 today. So we're going to grab 2 Aleve 50 count boxes. So these are actually on sale for $6.25. My store is not marked. And y'all know in last Sunday's Smart Source, we also got $4 manufacturer coupons on these. So that already makes them a good deal. But y'all, when we add it into that 5 off of 25, it is going to be magic. So we're going to grab 2 boxes of these and use 2 of those $4 off coupons. The next item we are going to grab is one of the Centrum vitamins. So these are $5. We're going to get the 60 plus 7 bonus boxes. We are going to use our $4 off 1 paper coupon on these. Y'all, when I tell you I have the absolute best Dollar General store, this is undebatable. My store is the bomb. Y'all, look what my store manager just handed me. I got Lysol wipes. And I got a big can of Lysol disinfectant spray that she just brought me. So, y'all, we are going to do a Lysol deal today, and we are going to add that in. I'm going to switch up my whole scenario so that we can take advantage of the Lysol instant savings that are $2 off of 10 that we did in our last Dollar General video, since I don't have any manufacturer coupons, but y'all know we're still going to make it work. Okay, so this is going to be our second transaction, and I am so happy about this transaction because I didn't plan to do it today, but with this Bayer and this Centrum added in, this Lysol deal should be the bomb.com. So all of these items, the Aleve is $6.25 each, so that's $12.50 for two. The Lysol, I think I have $10.50 worth of Lysol. That is $2.65, $5.85, and then $2. And then I have the Centrum that is $5. This should all total up to $28 worth of stuff, I believe. And then I'm going to save $2 instantly on the Lysol after she hits the total button, which should bring it down to $26. Then the coupons that I'm going to use, we're going to use our 3 off of 10 for the Bayer on the Aleve, and we're going to use these two $4 off paper coupons on the Aleve, and then we're also going to use the Centrum that is $5. We're going to use that $4 off paper coupon. So that is going to give me a total of, I believe, $20 in coupon savings, and then another $2 in instant savings. So I should pay $6 for this deal, if my math is right. My math might be off, but I think I should pay about $6 for this deal, y'all, with all of this Lysol. So we're going to try that out and see how it works. After she scanned all of the items, I went on ahead and entered my phone number before she pressed total. After all of my digital savings came off, which is really just my 5 off of 25 and my 3 off of 10 Bayer coupon, my subtotal was $18. Then I handed over my 3 $4 paper coupons. Guess what, y'all? I paid $6 with a $22 savings. Now we're gonna grab another bottle of bleach from up here. I don't have any coupons, y'all, but you know we're gonna make it work. Next up, we're gonna grab one of these double packs of Glade candles. I have been burning these all week, so we're gonna get the $5 double pack, and we will be using the $1.50 off of 1 digital coupon. We are also gonna grab a Tide liquid laundry detergent. So these are $4.95. I'm gonna use the $2 off paper coupon from the May P&G. And then I'm also going to grab one of these Chic razors. So these are on sale for $4 this week. I'm going to use our $3 off paper coupon. We also have a $3 digital as well. Okay, so here is transaction number 3, I believe this is going to be. So my total for all of these items should be $25.20. So I'm going to qualify to use the 5 off of 25 coupon. Then I'm going to grab one of these big metal razors again. And as a filler item, we're going to use our $2 digital. We don't have any coupons on the Clorox, but we're still going to work it out. We have one of the Centrum vitamins, $5. We're going to use our $4 paper coupon. And then I have one of the Chic. We're going to use our $3 paper coupon on that. It is $4. I have one of the Glade candle sets. Those are $5. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 digital. And then I have one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents for $4.95. We are going to use our $2 off paper coupon. So after all of those coupons are applied, that should be a total of $17.50 in coupons, leaving us just to pay $7.70 for all of these items, which is a great deal considering we're getting our big bottle of bleach, our Tide, and our candles. So this will be deal number 3. These Jergens lotion. So these are $3.25, but we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. If you don't have the digital, we also had a printable coupon from coupons.com, so use whichever you prefer. I am also going to grab one of these Clorox fabric sanitizers. So these are just $3 and I am going to use the 75-cent off one digital coupon. If you don't have the digital, we also have insert coupons from one of our smart source for 75 cents off as well. Now I'm going to grab two of the Bic pens. So these are $1.50, but we have a $2 off of two digital coupon. Then we're going to grab one of these 2 packs of Olay bar soap. So these are $2.50, but guess what, y'all? Our $1 digital works on these. Okay, now this is our fourth and final deal, so we can get up out of here today, but I love this deal too. As you can see, what I'm doing is mixing up these filler items with our sanitizing items so that we can catch these sanitizing items that we really need for a low out of pocket. So I have two of the Bic pens. Those are $1.50 each. We're going to use that $2 off digital. I have the Jergens lotion. That's a 12.5 ounce. It is $3.50. We're going to use that $2 off digital. We have two of the Head and Shoulders again for $2 a piece. We're going to use that $3 off 2 digital coupon. We have one of our Olay 2-count bars. Those are $2.50. We're going to use that $1 off digital. We have one of the Centrum for $5. We're going to use the $4 off paper coupon. One of the Tide for $4.95. We're going to use that $2 off paper coupon. And then one of the Clorox fabric sanitizers. Those are $3. We are going to use the 75-cent off digital coupon on that. That should be a total of $19.75 in coupons. After all of those coupons are applied, we should just pay $6.20 for this deal, which is awesome because we're getting 9 items for $6, y'all. So let's go check out. All right, you guys. So today was just blessings, y'all. This was such a good shopping day. Let me show you my transactions one by one. So this is our Lysol transaction. This was such a good deal, especially considering that I did not have any coupons for this Lysol. So we got the 3 Lysol products. Our 2 off of 10 savings came off, plus our Centrum and our Aleve. Y'all, we paid $6 for that deal. So that's like getting all of these items for $1 per item. 6 items for $6 with a total savings of $22 for that Lysol. That is so good. And then let me show you my next transaction with the bleach. That one worked out well. So let me show you that. So here is the one with the Tide. We have our bleach. We have our Glade candles. There is our Centrum, our Bic metal razors, and then our subtotal came out to $7.70 with a total savings of $17.50. Once again, because we didn't use any coupons on that bleach, it came up to $7. But y'all, that is such a good deal with that bleach being $4.25. And I forgot to tell you guys on the Aleve, please scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards. So scan that receipt into Fetch Rewards. That's going to make that deal even better. So you're going to get back 1,500 points on any Aleve purchase. So that's the equivalent of $1.50 back. Y'all, that makes my Lysol transaction really only $4.50. So don't forget that. If you're not signed up for Fetch, sign up using my link below. Help us both out. Y'all, that is the bomb. Our third and final receipt, or really our fourth receipt, but this is our third one with our Clorox fabric sanitizer in it. So there is the $3 fabric sanitizer with the 75-cent off digital. There is our Tide with the $2 paper coupon. There's our Olay with the $1 digital, and then there is our Centrum $4 paper coupon. That Centrum is a bomb filler item to help reduce that out of pocket. If you do have those paper coupons, there are Bic pens with that $2 digital, and then there is our Head and Shoulders with that $3 digital. Y'all, that transaction came up to $6.20 for 9 items. $6.20 for 9 items. That was so good, especially considering that we got us some Tide, some Olay, and some Clorox in that deal. So I hope that sharing my deals was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys are able to get lucky and score some Clorox or some Lysol products as well. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if this video was helpful. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.